The AI product for today is Perplexity. Navigate to perplexity.ai. This is how the interface looks like. So let's just take a look at what we have here. This is like a discover page where you get news. Let's go to the home page real quick. So the home page is where you do like a kind of search. If you're familiar with Google search, you know this is a similar interface to it. These are like pre-text just to give you an idea of what you can search, and they have like purpose attached, which will get you in a minute. If you look down here, it tells you can try the Pro, which you can upgrade for image upload, smarter AI. These are different things. This is like Pro, Carriers, Playground, Blog. So this is the Perplexity Pro. What you get is $20 per month and $200 build per year with a 7-day free trial, and this is what you get with it. Now I'll be using the free one because they use a similar model to OpenAI or ChatGPT, where with ChatGPT 3.5 is free and ChatGPT 4 you kind of pay for it. So the model behind is always free. I don't know if that will be the case in the future, but for now. So if you want the carrier, you come here and they have some openings just in case you want to join their team. These are the different openings they have. This is what they value, and if you check out this page, just right down there you would find it. Playground, I am curious to know what this page is all about. This is where you can like have a chat or something. These are different AI models. So let me say, what time is it today? So this is just a way to have a playful place to test run different things like an experiment. You want to test an experiment prompt and all those things. This is their API, and if you want to use their API, this is where you find the necessary details. They have a blog here, just if you want to see things. So they have a blog here. They're creating different things, and some of their releases are also part of the blogs. So you have the library. Okay, I need to create an account to sign up, and you have to sign up. I'll be signing up in a minute. That's pretty much us exploring the home page. Now we have signed up into our account, and if you sign up, you will see your user profile name. Or so we would just be testing out products, and we would make a simple search just to see how Perplexity works. So let's say, so now they also have open auto suggestions. So let's say open AI latest news. So this is just a generic search, nothing really serious, and this is an overview of how it works. So once we search, the interesting thing about Perplexity, or what they are pricing this product on, is on the sources. So previously with Google, we just have everything all lumped together as different links, but with Perplexity, they are providing a way where we can search and we can filter down by sources. So this is the latest from OpenAI. You can see related, so they have like a similarity with how Google search is, just quite the same. And you can search images, videos, generate image. So you can click on this, it takes you to the actual link, and you can continue reading from there. So it's sort of like, it provides a quick result. You get your research result very fast, well summarized, and if you want to read more, you can also click any of this. Let's go back, or let's ask a different question. So as you also see here, it says ask follow-up. So if for a follow-up, I'll say what is the latest about Sora. So when I ask this is what I see. This is the different latest news about Sora, and if you want to read more, you can click on this or click any of this. This is YouTube, and so on. And that's that for searches. So you would see your history here. We can pretty go back just to test something. So if we want to see OpenAI latest news and we just want our sources, so by sources I mean if you just want your search result to be based off a particular thing, we click on this, and these are like the different sources Perplexity scrapes data from, just to give you a summarized result or search results. So we want only Reddit, we want this search results to be fetched from only Reddit sources. Then we give it a go. Once we enter, we see all our search or sources are already specific, and the summary is just like what has been happening based on the different results pulled from Reddit. So that's the interesting thing about Perplexity, is how you can like specify what you want, and how you can specify where you want your data to be gotten from. And this is very good because it has everywhere. It has the academic for those in doing like school stuff, masters or PhD. If you just want writing, oh, let's try this, let's also use a prompt. So by writing, you can give it a task and it can help you. So this writing is similar to like a GPT specifically for writing. This is how it is, but I believe it can do more. So if we try one of the sample prompts here, so they have a specialized kind of like a specific feature, a specific task for specific things. And one thing is we have to keep going back. I don't see a way just to specify that down here, so we have to keep going back to the home page. So if they can kind of work on that. So we have this. Wolfram is more like if you do mathematical calculations or more. This is YouTube and this is Reddit. Let's try Reddit. Let's see best video on Perplexity. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, interesting. So these are the best videos on Perplexity and this is what we have here. Overall, it looks good. I like the interface. It looks kind of good and this is a pretty good one, but one important question is if Google implements this or if Google comes up with their AI search model. I really don't know how this will affect them, but also so far they have been doing great optimizing their model. I think they use different models at the back. For now, I'm already use open AI like GPT models just to power some of their stuff. I'm pretty sure they don't just depend on open AI, so they depend on more than one stuff, and that's how it is. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you how to simply use Perplexity. If you want to read more news, you have this. So this is an interesting one. If you click on it, you get to read about what's happening, and it's pretty much short. Most of their news letters are short. So if you check Tesla layoffs too, it's kind of short, easy for you to grasp, and you can continue from there. That's pretty much on this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and let me know if there's any other video you'd like to see regarding the AI products. Bye.